English Greek verb boost. Go equals.
Πηγαίνω.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we master go in Greek.
Πηγαίνω.
Plus its superstar everyday form.
Πάω.
Warm up your tongue, your smile, and your feet, because we literally go places. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll say, go, in every person and stay cool when plans change. Target verb. Go, equals.
Πηγαίνω.
Dictionary form. Bonus everyday form for, I go.
Πάω.
Zen helper phrase, it's okay, equals.
Είναι εντάξει.
Forms jam. Repeat after me, rhythm on, hesitations off. I go.
Πάω.
You go, sing.
Πηγαίνεις.
He goes.
Αυτός πάει.
She goes.
Πηγαίνει.
We go.
Πάμε.
You go, plural.
Πηγαίνετε.
They go.
Πηγαίνουν.
Base form, to go.
Πηγαίνω.
And if plans change, it's okay.
Είναι εντάξει.
Mini dialogues. Let's drop these into real talk you can actually use. A. Are you ready? B. Yes, we go now.
Πάμε τώρα.
A. Yes.
Πάμε.
A. Where are you going? B. I go home.
Πάω σπίτι.
A. And Maria? B. She goes by bus.
Πηγαίνει με λεωφορείο.
A. Where's Nick? B. He goes to the gym.
Αυτός πάει στο γυμναστήριο.
A. Sorry I'm late. B. It's okay.
Είναι εντάξει.
Guide. You, all, go straight and turn left.
Πηγαίνετε ευθεία και στρίψτε αριστερά.
On Sundays, they go for a walk.
Πηγαίνουν βόλτα.
Pronunciation beat. Tap the rhythm with me, your mouth likes music. Pi ga I know.
Πηγαίνω.
P-A-O.
Πάω μέγα.
Pi ga I nace.
Πηγαίνεις.
AF tus pa a.
Αυτός πάει.
Pi ga I nay.
Πηγαίνει.
Pa me.
Πάμε.
Pi gai nay te.
Πηγαίνετε.
Pi gai noun.
Πηγαίνουν.
Okay vibe. Ei nai and ta xei.
Είναι εντάξει.
Culture tip. Let's go. Sound native with a tiny word and a big smile. In Greece, friends fire up the mood with, let's go.
Πάμε.
You'll hear it at cafes, games, and before adventures. If something goes sideways, a calming.
Είναι εντάξει.
Keeps the vibes friendly. Lightning quiz. Quick reactions only. Say it out loud before I do. Q. You go, sing. A.
Πηγαίνεις.
Q. We go, A.
Πάμε.
Q. They go, A.
Πηγαίνουν.
Q. He goes, A.
Αυτός πάει.
Q. She goes, A.
Πηγαίνει.
Q. You, plural, go, A.
Πηγαίνετε.
Q. Base, to go, A.
Πηγαίνω.
Q. It's okay, A.
Είναι εντάξει.
Challenge time. You've got this. Talk to me like a local. Say, I go to the park.
Πάω στο πάρκο.
Say, you go by bus.
Πηγαίνεις με λεωφορείο.
Say, we go together.
Πάμε μαζί.
Say, you, plural, go straight.
Πηγαίνετε ευθεία.
Say, they go home.
Πηγαίνουν σπίτι.
If the plan changes, say, it's okay.
Είναι εντάξει.
Outro. Keep going. You did great, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Πηγαίνω. Πάω. Πάμε.
And remember, if it's tricky.
Είναι εντάξει.
For more lessons, printables, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.